Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by parking the Huracan on level ground, set the parking brake, and place wheel chocks at both rear tires to prevent roll. Start the engine so the transmission electronics are active. Without engine power, some controls lock and will not shift. Remain inside the car, keep your foot on the brake pedal firmly for at least 3 seconds, and alert any nearby helpers that you will move controls. Confirm cabin is clear, and mirrors are set before attempting to change gears. With engine running and brake held, locate the central gear selector and the gearbox unlock button. Press and hold the brake pedal firmly for at least 3 seconds while you depress the unlock button. This electronically releases the selector gate. Move the lever or selector into the end position smoothly and hold for 1 second. Check the instrument cluster and confirm the dashboard clearly displays the letter N. Only then slowly release the brake while keeping the parking brake engaged to ensure the car does not roll. After the instrument cluster shows N, re-engage the parking brake and leave it set if the car will be unattended. Confirm the car will not roll by testing slight forward pressure against the brake while chocks remain in place. If the Huracan will not enter neutral because of an electrical fault, do not force the shifter. Avoid damage by contacting Lamborghini roadside assistance or a certified recovery service. Use a flatbed tow and keep the wheels chocked rather than attempting manual override procedures yourself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.